This is the third generation 11-inch iPad Pro. In my opinion, it's the best iPad Pro that you can buy for the money. I think it's even better than the 2022 iPad Pro because this iPad delivers better value for money. It's powered by the Apple's M1 silicon, which provides more than enough horsepower to run any demanding app or game without hiccups. And this is because Apple has put a desktop class chip in this iPad Pro. Remember that M1 silicon already powers all the MacBooks and the iMac desktops, so the performance is there. But performance isn't the only thing that makes this iPad Pro great. It also comes with an amazing 120 Hz refresh rate liquid retina display. Everything about iPad Pro is top quality. Whether it's the premium glass and metal construction, whether it's these amazing quad speakers, excellent camera array, all-day battery life, and compatibility with a tons of great accessory. So let's talk about my favorite accessory. The first one is the second generation Apple Pencil, which makes drawing, note-taking, and marking up documents very easy, intuitive, and very precise. So Apple Pencil 2 wirelessly pairs with the iPad Pro, and you can charge it while it's magnetically attached to the iPad. If you're a student who takes lots of notes, or if you are a digital artist, an Apple Pencil is a must-have accessory. Now the second accessory that makes iPad Pro a full-fledged laptop is the Magic Keyboard. This keyboard offers a surprisingly good quality experience thanks to its scissor mechanism, which gives you 1 millimeter of key travel distance. So this keyboard comes with a trackpad that is very intuitive, and it works very nicely with the latest iPad OS. It also includes a USB Type-C port for pass-through charging. Now this Magic Keyboard attaches to the iPad Pro magnetically. Overall, the 11-inch iPad Pro is the best tablet money can buy.